A course in its learning is any area set up for a specific purpose for a particular audience. You may want to create a course for your subject area, or it could be for another purpose, such as a club. You may be lucky and have a kind IT department who create all the courses for your establishment, but in case you don't, this tutorial shows you how to create your own. First, go to the Courses tab on the global menu at the top of the screen. Click on the green Add Course button. You'll then be asked if you want to create a regular course, that is, a new course from scratch, or create a course based on another one. We'll look at using course templates in a later tutorial. For now, we'll stick to a regular course. Next, you need to give your course a title. Before you do this, check whether your organisation has a naming protocol or specific format for naming courses. Some schools, for example, use the timetable code to ensure clarity. The main thing is to think about the students who will be looking for your course. If a student in Year 8 of secondary school finds every one of his courses starts with Year 8 on his drop-down menu, it makes it harder for him to find his geography course. So it's probably better to name it the other way round. You don't need to add a course code unless your organisation habitually uses these to identify your courses. Next, make sure that the correct establishment is showing under Organisation. And if you're migrating content from another course that you've downloaded to a zip file, you can upload it using the link under File, Archive. Finally, click Save. You will now be taken to the overview page of your new course. Let's look at a course with some content in it to get a better idea of what this would look like. Across the top, just below the global menu, you'll see the course menu. The overview page is the default landing page. Like your home page, this is designed to give you all the up-to-date information about this course, and this is where you will add bulletins and events to push through to all your course participants' home pages for them to see as soon as they log in. Next, you have the resources area. This is where all of your activities and resources will be stored. The planner is where you can build a collection of topics and lesson plans with links to the relevant activities to guide your students through the course. In status and follow-up, you'll find the assessment record, which is an electronic mark book for this course, and a series of reports so that you can track student activity and monitor progress. The Participants tab is where you'll manage who can access your course and the role they have in this area. And finally, the More menu will give you links to additional areas such as course groups so that you can set up subgroups in your course, the course settings, and the trash can. If you're working on a smaller device, you may find that some of the other tabs of the course menu are moved into the More menu to avoid squashing everything together on the main menu bar. I'll just go back to the course that I just created. When you create a course, you're the only one that can see it, as you're the only participant. This means that you can start to add some content before making it available to others. So now you can create a course. When you've done this, click Completed in this tutorial.